Get those hands to meet out in front of the plate. There. Get those hands out in front of the plate. Good eye. Even a little quicker now. Watch your foot there, bud. There's a chute. There you go. There you go. Way to reach out in front of that one. Check swing. It's a good cut. Nice. That's the way to cut that thing. A little late. I think that was it.